Hi, it's Caroline, the AI rep here at Sun Stream Infrared Saunas with another FAQ video. Today's question, do you need high air temperatures in an infrared sauna? The short answer is no. Infrared saunas work very differently from traditional hot rock saunas. Instead of heating the air around you, they heat your body directly with infrared radiant energy. That means air temperature plays a supporting role, not the main one. At Sunstream, our design focus is simple. Deliver as much infrared heat to your body as possible and a comfortable sauna experience. We do this with precisely sized heaters and a true 360-degree surround of low EMF, low ELF carbon panel heaters. These are positioned at shoulder height to target your body where it matters most, your core, not your head. It is unnecessary to aim the heaters at your head and wasteful of infrared if the heaters extend above your head. We all sweat profusely from our faces once our core is warmed. The 360 heat surround in our Sunstream saunas is completed with our exclusive front door mounted panels. This creates an immersive, even, and comfortable heat experience. Now compare that to traditional saunas. They rely entirely on hot air, often operating between 160 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. These high air temperatures can be challenging to tolerate for many people. Infrared saunas, by contrast, typically operate at a much lower and more comfortable range, around 120 to 150 degrees. It's also important to understand the research. One article, which reviewed 40 different sauna studies, included 25 studies using infrared saunas. The article notes that most infrared saunas had air temperatures of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, with 2 studies using only 113 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, all significantly lower than those in traditional saunas. So a higher air temperature doesn't mean better performance in an infrared sauna. In fact, air temperature claims can be misleading when shopping for an infrared sauna. It varies by measurement location, with different brands having the temperature sensors in cooler or hotter positions in the sauna. And many brands calibrate their thermometers to show higher readings. That's why comparing saunas based on air temperature marketing claims doesn't tell you much. What really matters is how effectively the sauna delivers infrared heat to your body. So when you're evaluating infrared saunas, don't ask, how hot does it get? Ask, how complete is the infrared body coverage to gauge how well this will heat my body? I hope my explanation today will help you navigate the confusing infrared sauna marketplace. Contact us anytime with all of your infrared sauna questions. Please visit us at sunstreamsaunas.com or give us a call on 1-888-262-4477, and I'll see you in the next video.